Alright guys, it's the Tech Invader here with another video. Anyway, today what we're going to be teaching you is how to install Steam CMD. A quick introduction on what Steam CMD is. Steam CMD is basically the new version of multiplayer for Half-Life kind of games that replaces the HLD update tool. Anyway, I'll be showing you how to install Garrys mod, but I'll also be showing you like a bunch of the game IDs to install like other games with, so it doesn't exactly just do Garrys mod. Anyway, what you're going to want to do first is look in the description and click on the link, but I'm going to be looking it up. So Steam CMD, the HLDS update tool, Half-Life something update tool was for multiplayer, but now it's Steam Pipe or Steam CMD. So basically we'll be doing it for Windows. If you want a Linux tutorial, just ask me in the comments and I'll do that. But yeah, for now we're just going to be doing a Windows tutorial. It's basically, the website has read out instructions for you there if you want to do it. So okay, so once you have it downloaded right here, you're going to want to sorry about that. You're going to want to put it into a folder. And you can put it in your, I'm just going to put it on my B drive because that's where I have all my space. So Steam CMD, and I'm also going to create, if it's, okay, it's frozen, that's okay. Just going to wait a bit. I'll come back when it's unfrozen. Alright, so now that it's unfrozen, I'm just going to create a folder for gmod, and I'm going to create, if you're doing a gmod server, you're going to need a CSS folder as well, because CSS content, you kind of need it for most gmod servers. So now that it's in a folder, wherever you have it, doesn't matter where it is, just put it in a folder, double click on Steam CMD. And while that is running or downloading, we will look at okay, so yeah, there's running, so yeah, so that first, then that, then yeah, we're just going to wait for this to finish, and it's now done, or it should be. Yeah, now it's done, so we're just going to do that. And so first command is login anonymous, or if you need a username for it, just log in with your username. Next is force install dir. So since we are going to do gmod, I'm actually going to quickly exit this. Quit. I should have typed quit, but yeah, we're going to do Steam CMD. And we're going to drag all these files into it because I want it easy to see all this stuff. So now that that's good, just double click on that, minimize that. So again, login anonymous, and you're going to grab the directory of where you want to install the game, and then you're going to want to do force underscore install underscore dir, and then you're going to want to click on this logo, edit, paste, and then hit enter. And then we're going to scroll down because I can't remember what to do next. Right, app update. underscore update 4020, because if you scroll down and if I can find the full list of game numbers, dedicated servers list page. Yeah, here we are. So this is the list of every single game you have to use this for to make a game. Read and weep. Anyway, since you can also make a Rust server with this right there, so, but since I am doing Garry's mod, you can see 4020 right there. Hit enter and it will start downloading. This may take a while depending on your internet speed, so I will be back when it's done. Haha, oops, I accidentally forgot to record audio, so basically once that's all done, you're going to want to press the up arrow on your keyboard and add validate at the end there. As you can see in the video, just add a little validate and hit enter, and it'll validate all of your files just to make sure that they downloaded all correctly. I will be back once that's done. Okay, so now that that's done, you just want to type in quit and hit enter. And there you go. So after that's done, you just want to bring open this again, go into gmod, go into Garry's mod, and go into CFG. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the server.cfg. The website will be found in the description as well, but yeah, we're just gonna look up server.cfg here, gmod cfg, I mean. So just fill in all the information like Archon password, host name, server password. You actually don't have to do any of this on the website. You just have to scroll down, click generate, and copy all of the text that is generated, as I'm about to show you. So after you hit generate, just Control A, Control C, Control V into the little text editor and just edit everything. For those who don't know, Control C is copy, Control V is paste, Control A is select everything. So basically here I was explaining what LAN is. LAN 0 is if you want anyone to be able to connect once you port forward it. LAN 1 is for only your local network, so anyone that's on your router or wired connection. Okay, so the next step is to create the actual launcher, the batch file that actually launches a server. So what you're going to want to do is actually just create a text document on your desktop here. Open that text document and copy and paste the following stuff into that text document. I will provide this stuff in the description, so just look down there. So I will begin to explain all this to you. So basically at a.k.a, it just makes it so that it doesn't echo every single thing that it does. CLS clears the screen. This changes the title of the box, that's seen right there. srcds just makes it so that if the server crashes, it will bounce right back up there and start the server again, so you don't have to do it. Start will start this. This right here that I'm highlighting, you want to replace with, you're going to want to replace with this directory, so Control C that, and just Control V right there, and put in a backslash right there. And that will make it so that you can just put the BAT file anywhere, so it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be in the file folder with the srcds. So this console just says we don't want to see the console, do it all in the background. Game sets the game to Garry's mod. This sets the map to gm construct, which you can change the map. So any maps you put is just like regular Garry's mod. You put the maps in this folder, and you just put it in there. So if you want to make the map say construct instead, you're going to want to copy construct, and or flat grass. If you want flat grass, just replace construct with flat grass. These are the amount of max players, so if you only want your 10 friends to be on there, switch it to 10. This is the port that the server will be running on. So if you have 2 servers, you're going to switch this to 16. If you have two garrys mod servers or whatever, you're going to want to set one to 27015 and 27016. That just makes it so that you can run 2 servers in one network. Here, networks echoes the time that the SRCDS crashed, and it is now restarting. This says, oh, the server crashed, bounce back up to here. So now that you have all that, click File, Save As, click this, and make sure it's set to all files. Set this to start gmod.bat. Make sure you put .bat or it will not work. Click Save, and now you will see that nice little file there. You can delete that now. And now basically just double click on this and it will launch. So do not close this, or if you close this, the server won't restart on a crash, so just minimize that. That shows you the FPS. This shows you all the stuff, like we're in anonymous mode. We do not have a Steam account set. It shows you the ports that the server is running on. It shows you all this. It shows you that your computer's IP address. Looks like mine has changed again, so I'll have to fix that. It says no auth key, so you're not going to download any workshop add-ons. I'll do a tutorial for that later, but for the time being, I will not unless you guys request it. Anyways, I will be back in a second to show you how to connect to your newly created server. Hello guys, okay, so we're back. Now that you're in game, you're going to want to click on options, click on advanced, put a tick in enable developer consoles while you're under the keyboard tab, I should say. Click OK, click apply, click OK. Basically what this does is it enables you to press tilde, which is under the escape key on your keyboard, English keyboards anyway, and it opens up this sweet little console, which you can do a lot of things like ULX, add, user. ULX is basically an admin thing. You're going to need the developer console enabled to do future tutorials and stuff, so might as well show you how to do that now. So to connect to the server, you're going to want to click on Find Multiplayer Game. Once that loads up. Okay, so you're going to want to click on Legacy Browser. This is also how you add a bunch of favorite servers and stuff. I'm just going to delete all these because these are all gone and dead servers. Sad face. Okay, so click on the LAN tab, click refresh, and it will pop up. Since it's sandbox, GM construct, click on connect, and it will load into the server. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you log on. Very perfect. Nice and perfect. I do not know, I'm getting really slow frame rates, probably because I'm rendering a video and my graphics card is too confused. too confused to deal with everything that's happening. Anyway, yeah, this is how to install Steam CMD pipe, whatever you want to call it. It took me forever to log on for whatever reason. I think this might be the Garrys Mode 12 version of the map, and that's why it took me so long, but yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you could do me a favor and get this video liked, up to 10 likes I guess, that would be great, because it does take me a long time to edit these videos, as it took me probably an hour and a half to join, or like, it took me quite a long time to actually join the server to show you it working. And yeah, I just realized why it's so slow. It's because I'm running the server and playing the game on the same computer. Anyway, yeah, if you could get this video to 10 likes and subscribe, that would be amazing, because it does take a lot of time to edit these videos and make them for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Anyway, have a great day. In the next video I'll probably be showing you how to install CSS content so you can do things like this. Actually, you can do that. Okay, spawning props like that, and that, and that. I will show you how to install that in the next video. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.